aftermath of NPP 2025 Delegate Congress, Vimilady Efia Pokuya abedin komo about the happen here ewo Kennedy Japan, Dr. Baumia, any aspirants no or the same Ediamomo, the best candidate to lead, or the message the Ama Kennedy Japan, South Sudan be Ediama Dr. Baumia on the delegate conference, just say Echemi. South Sudan message the NPP. Party no as a whole, any now or then some Ediamomo. Now a flag bearership race no. When any belly, what can end this for flag bearership race and what's a man? Just say what they send me to ya, what today history, a yet trend to be a end this for a follow, not NPP for so a follow the same thing.
Well, so finally, MPP for no delegate conference no more way. And congratulations to MPP so much in way. The battle, said the General Secretary there's a bigger battle ahead, which is 2028. But so far, my idea. And said the NDC so called you could deliver solidarity message, which is the usual thing. I was surprised that a lot of the bloggers no said this is the normal thing that happens in party congresses. Opposition parties need small more reps and more deliver solidarity message. So it was and I know through jobs. It's a normal thing. Bloggers anymore. But it's a normal thing that happens in a multi-party democracy. It's one of the things that here to promote solidarity and cordiality between them. Tina, yes, Suma also called Bobia. Now to say, oh no, I can know from because party for no crown was NDC opposition or CMPP for the best Sumano Marco. It's normal that they do PNC for them for the longest time I've covered politics in Benamuna, Nano lead PNC. CPP for those days now bonfe, because now bonfe was CPP or no beko. It's a normal phenomenon. It's to promote cordiality amongst the parties because Obia pre-Ghana yo and bonnie into why ever smart so called boo opponent who you're John. I was our theater straight up who you're John. So what I say into congratulations to my MPP. Also congratulations to NDC because in the midst of a collaboration in a Ghana ki benya ne papa na your politics na be the ohuntia. But I mean kudos to General Secretary Yera Kodia because his speech of mine I thought that this is the Kodia that people wanted to see in 2024 elections. This is the Kodia. This is the Kodia who has fire in his mouth. Oh, brah, yes, soft, but I like the way he came on his speech. You know, the idea he was vociferous. In fact, I think it started from Ablekuma elections. No, his speech, in the press conference, he was very boisterous. I like this one too. He was, but you see, we are home, baby, so having that balance, no, I think is good. But it was also a platform for people to market themselves, including national friends, executives or more pre-elections. Any presidential candidates for almost pre-election, which is where Kennedy Japan nominate or more controversial issues nearby are managing a mountain.
Ladies and gentlemen of Congress, today marks.
Now we have to look for why nobody Mahama there. Say names are about to say Yera Julo Debra, Chief of Staff. I understand on your President Mahama favorite to any candidate. Yera Eriko Poku, a Greek minister, and Sudiaba. Whoever MPP for be elected, whether you're Kennedy Japan, whether you're Baumia, whether you're Duchum, whether they will go for the younger Brian Champ or whatever, no, that person is going to meet the person who NDC didn't beba. And they be able to catch MPP for say if NDC is able to deliver an MPP for engineer because their campaign strategy will have to change for 2028. So what I say, because say the two names that are, in fact, three names, and Abba up. Haruna Idrisu, yeah, will be your favorite to contest as presidential. In fact, along the line, no, Kofobi who say Haruna Idrisu will potential. I'm trying some best sabotage, you know, between Atamils. Anyhow, in fact, me can't say we this is what baby me. So I could it no more parliament, you know. That main target of the coup d'etat was Haruna Idrisu because Obian himself Haruna Idrisu and yes, our potential keke. Haruna Idrisu he is overqualified to be my president. Simplicity. Haruna Idrisu or you solid or you guy. Akwana your politics from say or you student leader in Nooks. Haruna Idrisu your student politics and sana or Dr. Mane Boama any idea Baba Jama Munyana Poba game no well only we say free and Kramune free the same generation. When they were student, in fact, how Nedrisu leadership, they were able to shut down the entire education academic calendar for a whole year in 1995-96. How Nedrisu is a tough guy. Now he's managed to build himself in the grassroots. I don't know about now whether he's still maintaining some grassroots connection or what now. In the most of the time now, how to do see a communication minister no. Obran so make sure so be resource no ho sie. And uncofo bi hu say no. Asuma see resource no ho sie nti o be sabotage no mkodi no kokonsa mama. In the most wu ye na mahama buy mama ye leader na mahama yi ni free communication say hey. O no ya ma resource ho. Unya president abedi. Miwa obeda someone himself how to do to betimi the president. In fact, obeda someone picking how to do so from NUT, University of Ghana, Legon, and ordinary NDC. If anybody was part of that old generation, obeda someone, Dr. Beda Samuel, Dr. Beda Samuel, one time Attorney General of Ghana, D. Obeda Samuel, Dr. Yao Obeda Samuel, who was supposed to even take over from President Rawlings. And son of President Rawlings, Suaveno, Aqua Suedo declaration. I was Suedo Copedia Tamos and Saturday, when him a double so many on one and yes, sir. Suavena, Rawlings, yes, Obeda Saman, Obeda Saman goes to take you over from President Rawlings. And Tisa Obeda someone who said, no, how to do to potential. And how to do to the delay, also that I say, Sanya Mahama, and yes, Gabra, if you honor my Bebaniso. Omo generation, no, every say free and cramo. Elvis Efiam so solid.
And I know na Vim lady just what the call a year history down the lane and just what church and say more or coin this in any watcher a year nipakra or your best and now so bit me lady a year NDC going into 2020 election. Say President John Domini Mama and contest bima. Sounds no about a year NPP and send some home at just a watching in them.
I saying. A young Kobetimi MPP for Sebaomian and Bebo, Canada, Japan, and Beba. In fact, Elvis Efiam Krakra is senior to Dr. Brian Champon. And so, this is Fobi. Me person mebo bidding, but Elvis Efiam Kamenena Bosanko Mo, he knows. Time Minister for Youth and Sports, no, a one of sabotage, no. Now, yes, on two presidential answer. On my to constituency, regional, a police station, and the Beko against Canada, Japan. Because the same delegate crop on there. Majority of them like Baumia because that's the results that we got the other time. And your current resources are Canada, Japan is resource, Baumia is resource. What they want, Baumia Benya upper hand. But another thing about against your first Canada, Japan, you chrome constituency, no send this for you see to. And the narrative omu use against Canada, Japan, they say, MPP for insecure our seats, no. Because BNM said the Canada, Japan, a resourceful, influential, the whole central region MPP. So Canada, Japan say, Obetimi MPP for winning the entire Asim votes ni Obetimi. I know what Canada Japan has done in the past. Obetimi MPP for winning honey na. So the fact that MPP lose honor, say na Canada Japan. Canada Japan has to do a lot of work to persuade people say mpacho minimum way. They are mini. But say a great year me dey advice ni be ma Dr. Brian Champon. Canada Japan, he's been there, done that, he's delivered. Our farms, our a year friend saying fruit our rice farms. These are the things that what's a Canada Japan PR team no must start projecting to the delegates. In fact, delegates for only be man start employing them here and there. Employ them here and there. Ne push you see, and I know Canada Japan that upper hand. So far, Canada Japan is doing well in terms of kasa on responding. I was saying the team also find a way. And the team is doing well. Now, even if team no crack asa, and the cat no Canada Japan on cat because part the team ni weak point say or kasa bebre hona opponent for no. So they've made him start take a step back, which is a good thing for Canada Japan. It's a good thing for him. And more of that for Canada Japan. So on fire a honor more. No pushing on market himself more. On pushes so bet me and yama bebuano na nigi. And a lot of the young people already don't penasem because Canada Japan to jegu. And if President Mahama any team no make any mistake, those ones will back to the benefit of Canada Japan. But again, you need about a year or two. And sana. But the national executives for now, most of them are seeking re-election. To say could money at the own person almost na ye to abama omo. Say almost saying yeah. A Canada Japan must find a way. Even national executive elections, the crown, he will warm himself up to those people. He will warm himself up to those people. So, Mama, 3 names in NDC. And so far, before the anymore, we declare first Dr. Baumia, Kennedy Japan, Alan away no ho afiri mu, Dr. Educhum, Dr. Brian Champon, Kwabena Japan, we are not too sure. As a Kwabena Japan your obeko, but Ogusu maybe I suspect that Kwabena Japan will team up with Brian Champon. Or Kwabena Japan may team up with Obi to say EFS Dr. Bawumia, whichever way, ever work it. Because one of the most experienced people in the MPP, say, Nanado, as or sabotage Kwabena Japan kakra, because one of the people who deserves accolades, who deserves praise in MPP, Kwabena Japan. You can't be away paying dues, or be our bre, or be our year, Juma Kwabena Japan can no two ways about it. From Kufuor time. I know your communication. Fast and anado. You so Kwabena Japan can never be one my ear through can wana be mukege. Kwabena Japan solid guy. But because of my man position, be no man as a sabotage no course unity no. He's not only resources a bebwa. Saka Kwabena Japan was a Kennedy Japan sponsors, Brian Champon sponsors, and I said Dr. Bawumia sponsors Nibiaka Brian Kwabena Japan he should lead the party. He has more experience. In fact, Kwabena Japan once and Dr. Bawumia munyinaba. Enti it will serve Onwa Dr. Bawumia if he can add Kwabena Japan to his team. If he can add other people. I don't know whether Obesan the Dr. Matthew Poku Pempe Ako, but Omwa Matthew Poku Pempe doc went to me and shine said also to me because see, we candidate and yes, we candidate no way. Also, then shut them. In fact, before crab, you must groom the person. You must let the person know our strategy. Again, and also bet to me I sabotage because sometimes we'll be betting me yodium. So no sabotage you. But who know if also nipa was supporting me nipa we ya there or prep wako to a gym. That's what they did to Napo. That's what they did to Napo. Sankomu boa Napo grooming no chen and fa. NCA and can we and yes say and can upon to me kotosa trap public relations trap because some of the trap now about Napokotom these were all avoidable traps. Oh munkromano and yet by force or beka or be pa they push you cock away fire say Mobia was also a guy also so fire Mobia was also fire MPP NDC for no. And will fire and they will fire your fire no direction. Oh, fire no wrong direction. And a bit of it was also sabotaged in a Kotia Napon. So I don't know whether Bawumia then Bawumia Fanamba, another good alternative. Kwabena Japan say Kwabena Japan so incorporate the now or person Kokra. Bawumia can lobby Kwabena Japan Semenko. Na be me running mate. And the NDC so it's not sleeping. We say Doctor EFS saying Haruna Drisu will game nimu overqualified. Aruna has he has exhibited more than enough qualities from student politics. Minority leader. Juma so Aruna Drisu your parliament will be any Aruna Drisu sorry general parliament I say Nanyama this is leader. Ojina Hoso Kasasi yeah this is leader na Kasano. Why yeah Juma he has distinguished himself in parliament and baby to say. Baby to say outside party no so our Juma ministerial jobs so Juma or by education and he's working controversy about teacher for the he's negotiating Ubawana do so solve our issues it's how do so there Eriko Poku is another dangerous person. In fact President Mahama yere a candidate near Eriko Poku. In fact that President Mahama yere candidate for year 2 President Mahama the candidate for year 2 na yere no yama melody na because he ofri buno ni krom ho de say ye boa o say if you buno ento ano so twema ni nia say ni nia buno ni be ye ayi a ebeboa ena apart from buzi am time no ye hye da nya buno ni bia mo metena national Yisuda.
It's another Vim Lady Efia Pokuya and some of the Abatuja aftermath of a year NPP, a delegate conference. Wabat Simo, our honor. Aha, Edo, one activity, a conversation.